La 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 la. I feel so much thinner now.
I'm going to bed.
Okay, let me just move this.
I'm the mom.
Wake up. Why? There's a tornado. What? Really?
Yes.
Fatty. We need to go to a different country. But every single country here is, but the airport is closed down because of the tornado.
How?
What the? It's actually foggy. Let's find Uncle Samson. Why is it foggy? Because there's a tornado and we got to go in my car. What is that? It's my car. I'm gonna use it as a it's a tornado protecting area. Not very much in it. Don't mind this box. This is the camera. Out. Well, let me just walk here. Let's get Grandpa. Bitch. What? Uncle Grandpa Samson. What is it? I know you speak Russian, but there's a tornado. And I lost my hair. I gotta get my hair back.
I'll go to the salon later.
I'm gonna wait for your brother. He is at the wait for our son while he is working. All right. So what's the problem? I have a addiction about eating chicken, even though I'm a chicken. I need some help. Well, I know what to stop you of eating chicken. Okay. What do I remind you of? A newborn chicken, which is a chick. Yes. And what are you thinking? Chicken. But what do you actually want? Chicken nuggets. No, that's cannibalism. You know what? Get out of my shop. I mean my therapy. I'm tired of being a therapist. I just want to quit my job. So how is no? I'm not doing again. Ask someone else. Why is everyone all here? I want to play still brain rot still. Let me play still. Alright, so what do we do now? Get in the car. Okay, we're here. Yay! We just have to get. Wait, where is Brother Chicken? Remember, he went to vacation. Not that chicken. to someone. Okay. I'm just bring him. Okay, I'm back from my vacation. Why are we here? There's a tornado and we need to hide. Stop. Alright. So basically, close every single door. Okay, done. Okay, done. We're here now. But where's... Oh, he went to play Steel, whatever that one name was. It's one of those crappy games that he plays. Yeah, and... Wait, this is the Russian... Oh. Wait, I forgot the cat. Come here. The cat also speaks Spanish. Hola, amigos. Hello, cat. We're going to be in a rough time because a tornado is spotting. Even it's on the news. This computer is now turning off. Warning for all kids when they're playing. There's a tornado coming right now. It's a F5 tornado. This tornado is very powerful. It can also skin you alive. What?
I gotta get in the car before I get skinned.
Whoa, what's happening on the TV? Nothing? Oh.
I gotta stop being distracted. At the TV, I'm at home.
Okay. Don't worry about your computer. We'll get a new one. Yeah, but I have friends on there. That's me, brother. Mini Chicken is the main character. Yes, this one. Not this one. Because he's a loser. Tornado is coming.
Guys, no.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh
no. Breaking news. Breaking news. Tornado is coming.
How do I even do this?
Never mind. Tornado is coming. Anyways, I'm gonna kick someone's... Whoa, whoa, what?